Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video, just wanted to address the question that's been raised. So are we at the start of a bull market? And guys, I know the market's been going crazy. Last 7 days or so has just been nuts. And yeah, what we'll do is we'll take a look at some of the stats, the data, and just kind of piece together and see where we're at the moment in terms of if this really is going to be a bull cycle or if it's just kind of like a bit of a fake out. But let's get straight into it. So at the moment, market is down 3% in the last 24 hours. So you can see trading at roughly $1 trillion. But what we need to look at here is the last 7 days. So last 7 days, Bitcoin absolutely smashing it, 20% up. ETH is up 15%. Some of these other tokens have literally gone nuts. Solana is up 35%. Polygon up 12.4%. Like here you can see Avalanche is up 28%, so huge increases for some of these tokens. Aptos up 45%. I mean, that's huge. Decentraland 65%. And there's been a few things that have literally happened in the last 7 days. So we've had the CPI and the PPI numbers come out. If we take a look at those and just see what the actuals were, CPI numbers 6.5% versus a forecast of 6.5%. And previous results were 7.1%. So basically shows inflation easing, and obviously good for the crypto market or any other markets out there. Stock market literally have all been rallying based off that news. PPI numbers were announced as well, came in better than forecast at 6.2%, also lower than previous month, which was 7.3%. So again, it just shows things are getting cheaper. And obviously for the crypto space, these are, I guess, bullish macro numbers that are being released at the moment. So yeah, overall good for the market. So that's a plus point for the crypto space and other markets as a whole. Yeah, but you know, based off the back end of that, I feel like that really made the market run, especially when the CPI numbers did come out. From that point onwards, it's just literally been on an upwards trend since. And guys, in the news now, so I've just searched it, are we in the bull market? You can see literally everyone is talking about it. This isn't a bull market yet, but it's starting to look like one. Is 2023 the year, the bull market? History says yes. Like everyone is literally talking about it. And generally when everyone is talking about it, and also on crypto Twitter as well, you can see everyone's kind of hyped and pumped about this bull market. There are still some naysayers out there, but yeah, generally it looks like it might be the start of something big, which is obviously good news for us as investors. So yeah, you know, it looks good from that perspective. Fear and greed index, so currently trading at neutral, and this has been at fear for like God knows how long. Literally it's like months and months and months. We've been trading at fear and extreme fear as well, and since yesterday and now we've literally switched over to neutral. So this is positive. You know, when the fear and greed index starts switching upwards to that section, it's obviously positive for the crypto space, and this is another good sign that, you know, we are moving out of that fear area and moving towards, you know, this green area on the fear and greed index, which is great. And if we take a look at this statistic here, CBBI historical chart, basically what this tells you is the confidence if we're at the peak. So this is more looking at the peak of the bull cycle. But I guess what's interesting here is here you can see had a bit of a drop in terms of the CBBI confidence, and we've started to rise up again, which I know is not a real indicator at the moment because we haven't really peaked, but at least you can see a bit of a trend to the upside on this confidence line down here on this chart. So I guess that looks good as well. In terms of the rainbow charts, so rainbow charts have switched over from a fire sale to the buy section for Bitcoin, which again is good, switching up that rainbow chart. So obviously that's a good sign. For Ethereum on the other hand, let's just take a look at it. It's still quite low, it's still within a fire sale position. However, we know that ETH has been running, so hopefully it follows the trend of Bitcoin and starts to shift upwards as well. So overall, it looks good out there. It looks really good out there, to be honest. I mean, from my perspective, it looks like we are starting something special. If we just take a look at the charts before I kind of wrap up. So here, what I've got is the daily, and I'm looking at the total crypto market cap. So here you can see total crypto market cap is literally trading at a resistance level against the 200 EMA. 200 EMA is generally the trend or the direction of the market. So we've gone all the way up. We've broken these trend levels, broken the EMAs of 50 and 100, continue to go up, and right now we're seeing this 200 EMA as a kind of resistance level. So I'm hoping we can break that just for the crypto space, and then, you know, we'll continue on to the upside from that point onwards. But yeah, really need to break that longer term trend, the 200 EMA. Again, the MACD looks bullish. Everything is like moving to an upwards momentum on the MACD. Look at this on a longer time frame, on a weekly. So again, we've got some levels to be broken. So longer time frame, we just need to break these levels before we get that full confirmation that, you know, we are headed towards the upside. Take a look at Bitcoin on the daily. Bitcoin's actually broken the 200 EMA, and we've kind of dropped back down again to that level as a support. And here you can see literally smashed through 50, 100 EMAs. MACD is looking positive as well. So I'm hoping that we remain above that 200 EMA on the weekly as well. We still got a bit of work to do to get up to these levels. Obviously, on a longer time frame, it gives you a bit more of a feel for what the market direction is, which way the market direction is actually headed. But on a daily, it looks very positive, and we've broken those levels there. Ethereum as well, daily, literally you can see broken the EMA levels. 200 EMA is currently being hit at a kind of support level. So you can see drop down perfectly on that 200 EMA. So what I'm hoping for is that we continue to the upside. MACD looks mega bullish as well. A lot of you know, bullish momentum in the market for ETH on the daily. On the weekly, again, longer time frame, broken the 200 EMA. So we just need to continue up to break these other levels as well. But yeah, generally, I mean, the market looks like it's headed in the right direction. Can I say for you know, certain that this is definitely a bull run? I'm not too sure at the moment. Need a few more days of continuation to the upside before there is, I guess, that confirmation that, yeah, we are in a bull run. But yeah, guys, I mean, looking at some of the indicators, fear and greed index, and just some of the, you know, the narratives on crypto Twitter, and just, you know, when you search the bull market, everything seems to be headed as like a starting point for that crypto bull run. But, you know, give it a couple of weeks or so. Let's see which way the market is headed. But as I'm saying right now, for me, all I'm doing is literally DCAing, because I know, you know, if we do end up in a bull cycle, then I want to be still entering at these levels and DCAing. So that's kind of my theory. Obviously, guys, do your own research and then look to invest accordingly. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you feel. Do you think it's a, you know, a start of a bull cycle, or do you feel like it's just a bit of a fake out? Hit me up in the comments. Check out my Patreon. You know, I post a lot on there in terms of some of my early trades, and yeah, made some good calls on there as well. And just, you know, check it out to support the channel. And feel free to use my referral links below in the description if you're not already signed up for Bybit or Binance. But yeah, guys, appreciate you all, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.